Apostle L on day 6 of the successful Anger But Do Not Sin Fast. Apostle L of Apostle L's Divine Fast Faith Fitness Ministry with the security of securing my life and my health. As always, I'm back by divine source, sharing with everyone on the planet as I'm on this miraculously healing fast, straight from Apostle L's Divine Organic Factory. Nothing but complete minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, money unsaturated fats, and all the healthy ingredients to sustain life and health and increase and boost energy. Apostle L's Healthy Healing Juices on day 6 of the fabulous, enhancing, life-enriching fast to eliminate toxics, pollutants, free radicals, and strengthen our organism, flushing out everything with Apostle L's organic, healthy healing juices designed to purify our internal organs, cleanse the mind, clean the skin, strengthen the heart, eliminate sugar, excessive sugar in your body, and getting all the cells rejuvenated and cleansed, unclog arteries, and strengthen your heart, and allow you to sleep better, improve your breathing, your lungs, your kidneys, and liver. It will secure your place in being healthy or improving your health. Day 6 of the Anger But Do Not Sin Fast with Apostle L's fabulous, enhancing, powerful juices. Apostle L's Healthy Healing Juices on day 6 of the Anger But Do Not Sin Fast. My security pass, my security ticket to feel good and enjoy life, not being inhibited by any unnecessary self-inflicted diseases. Answer the question, Apostle L, how do you fast for 426 days and continually fast for 30, 40, 60, 40 days? Well, I'm showing you it's done purely with Apostle L's Healthy Healing Juices, straight from Apostle L's Organic Healing Factory. You have the power, and as always, I'm back by divine source. Apostle L's Healthy Healing Juices, feeling the benefits of increased energy and increased confidence within my whole soul, spirit, and body. Feeling so healthy. As always, I'm back by divine source. You have the power.